In this video, we are going to see that whenever you open the new tab, you get this option of little icons with the search bar. So if your search bar is missing in Google Chrome, here's a quick fix for you. So what you can do is just click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the settings. And on the left hand side, we will head over to the search engine. Click on that. And you will probably be using some other search engine. That's why the Google search is not showing here. So if you're using something like Yahoo, click on set as default. Now when we open up a new tab, it might not show it for some reason, or it might show the settings according to that particular browser. So what you need to do is just change the browser to any suitable browser, whatever you want, and click on set as default. And now when you open up the new tab, it will show the search option or search bar right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.